Hey 7th graders, it's Ms. Decker again. We are going to give this a second try since the first one went so well. So as you can see, my favorite office character, Michael Scott, is confused as what to do. You will not be after watching this video, so do not be like Michael Scott in this situation. Anyway, so today our goal is to get us set up with No Red Ink accounts if you don't already have one, or to get logged in if you do with the correct class code, and then to get you set up with vocabulary.com. Some of you may have used this last year, not sure, but if you have not, we'll get you signed up with that as well. And we're going to use our Google account for that one. So I'm going to walk you through how you should do that. And if you have any questions, just make sure you're raising your hand. I'll be walking around right now to help you out. So the first thing you need to do is go into Google Classroom. So I'm going to go over to my Google Apps section, and I'm going to get into Classroom. I'm going to use 5.6 today as an example. So here I'm going to scroll past our bell ringer, which will have the video attached here in a minute when I'm done, and I'm going to go to the vocabulary grammar announcement that says click the links below to sign up for vocabulary.com and noredink.com. So I'm going to start with vocab.com. So I'm going to click this here, and it's going to take me to a class. So the link there is the class that I want you to join. So it's LA 2017-2018. This will be true for everyone. So instead of, if you're already a vocab.com user, right, go ahead and get signed in that way. But most of you, if you are new, I want you to sign in with a Google account. Okay? And so it is going to automatically do that for you, right? It might ask you a few questions. It might have you add some additional information. But because I'm already a vocabulary.com member, it was really quick for me. So if you are confused as to how to do this, make sure, like I said, you raise your hand. So now that we are joined, right, there's that number of students, it'll add up, and we'll be able to give you assignments, and you can create your own list, and we're going to do that later in the year, but we want to get signed up today. So now that I'm done with vocab.com, I'm going to go back into Google Classroom, and I'm going to click on the No Red Ink link. And so I am going to click sign up, because if you do not have an account, that is what you need to do. Okay, you are a student, so I will click that. And then your class code is here. So I'm going to switch back to a different screen, and I'm going to show you your class code is Spotted Jam 29. And there are spaces in between Spotted and Jam and 29. So Spotted Jam 29. So I'm going to go back to No Red Ink. I'm going to type in Spotted Jam, what was it? 29. Sorry about that. Totally forgot. Okay. Continue. And so now, again, I am going to, right, so it should say Decker 2017, 2018 right here. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. Sign up with Google. Okay? And I'm going to pick my Gmail account just because I already have my Lewis Central account as the teacher. I'm going to click there, right? I have to enter my password. Right? And that's up to you. And I am going to say I am in 7th grade, and I am done. Okay? Now this is going to ask you to select some things that are interesting to you. So you have to select a couple different things. I'm just going to click a few here. All right, and then the cool thing about this is it will tailor. Click continue then, and now it will tailor the questions to your interest. So if you really like the Hunger Games, you're going to get questions about Peeta and Katniss. If you like the show Friends, like I do, you're going to get questions about Ross and Rachel and Monica and Joey and Chandler and Phoebe, and so on and so forth. So since you have no assignments right now, nothing is going to populate for you, but you could always work on whatever you want. And so that is how you get into No Red Ink, right? And if you already had an account, right, I'll show you how to do that really quick. If you already had an account, all you would do is go to login. right? And my stuff is already saved from last year. All you do is put in your username or your email, your password, and then log in. Or you can click login with Google and it'll take you that way as well. All right, so that is how you log in. Both No Red Ink and vocabulary.com are going to ask that you log in with your Google accounts, and you'll be in like the LA 2017-2018 class or the Decker 2017-2018 class. And so that's all you really have to do. And if you're having trouble with this, raise your hand. I'll be over to help you. When you are done, either check the board. I might have something for you to do, or you can be independently reading, right? Get those minute trackers, minutes recorded, and get on the reader leaderboard. All right. Hope everybody has a good rest of the day.